I'm not sure what it is. Might be my airsoft. So, but yeah, or it could be some other thing, I'm not for sure. But go ahead and start opening it. Here we go. I just have a knife on me right now. So, got something opened. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. It is. Okay. Okay, so it's my new airsoft. I have BB guns, but I don't know which videos of those. I don't know why, but just don't. So here it is. It is. So here it is. It is a P228, and it's really good. The thing for it really comes with BBs right here, and then let's just get to opening it. I'll be right back. I just need scissors. Okay, back with the scissors. Now let's open this thing up. Just now getting this thing open. Why is it so hard to open the boxes? I've never had this kind of problem. Whew. I'm normally just able to open them right up. But today I don't want to do that. And I don't know why. See if I can cut my hand here. Did I cut it? Yeah, I cut it. Nope, my hand is still here. Okay, now I also gotta make sure not to break the thing. So, I feel like that actually just might happen. Okay. Now I think that I can actually just do this thing right on out. Here it is. Gun. For safety. And just has just a bunch of warning stuff. And there's a thing right there. And this mag, not sure how much it holds, but yeah, same thing. That thing, just do that. Okay, but here's the gun. Finally got it open. Really nice. Now it's probably gonna use these BBs because they look kind of trash, but I'm gonna go grab the other ones. I got my new BBs, they're orange. And so, yeah. I also have this thing where I can put them inside this thing and just click right into it, but I don't have that right now. That's somewhere to my nose. But if we can see what it does and how it works. So just load it up real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, can only hold 12 BBs, as you can see in here. They're all loaded too. So yeah, really nice. Let's see what this baby can do. Safety or not. Can't really tell. For some odd reason, but let me see here. Okay, same thing, what you just do. Cock it and just shoot it quick. Yep, it's on safety. Okay. So, yeah. As it hears, I'm not sure, but I'm going to take this outside real quick, see what it does. Okay, so got it right here, and you may not be able to see it because of how bright it is. There's the target. Well, actually, maybe not, but there real quick. Cocked it. Okay. There it is. Let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Actually works really good. Why there's so many holes in there? I use my CO2 gun, my pellet gun, and my just regular red wire BB gun. Hear it. Really good. See, it's working really good. Whenever it's out of ammo, there's just a little smoke stuff that comes out. I'm not sure what that is, but I got this video unboxing this stuff. I'll keep on doing this. But I will be posting a lot of videos about this soon. But I got this idea from Kevin, I think, somebody, but he opens BB guns, unboxing BB guns. So, yeah, but keep y'all tuned, and just subscribe if you want to see more stuff like that.